Today I'm in the 996
2002 C2 Carrera. It has absolutely no options on it, and I love it.
finishing up the radio install.
This is a Alpine ILX 650. I have a wireless CarPlay adapter in here. The surround right here is 3D printed, which isn't a bad thing. It's a thing. I printed it in PLA, which is going to be bad during summer. It'll get all soft and crap. So I've contacted SendCutSend and had them make me a thing. It is essentially that plastic piece right there, but laser cut out of aluminum and powder coated in a flat black. And there we go. New trim is in. Looks great. I'm really happy about that.
It's a fun car.